Lantern durations. 5 hours older wife's birthday in this life. Some people do not value what they have, or did they lose? It might not value me at this moment just because I am in distance from you, but a time will welcome when you will regret it every treating me the way you are the treating me right now, all the effort, all the time, all the attention that I am putting in this relationship to make it work, you still do not value it. Or you could do is to believe in everything you see conversing me on social media without even asking if it is true or not. I have experienced it pain so and heartbreak, and I do not want to experience it again. So the earlier the better from you to tell me if you do not wanted to leave you. You are interneting life without meet you me no to low. I will know my way from forward in life instead of my being trying to make you understand how much I love you, but you do not appreciate it with every bite of my heart. I love you more and more. You are the rhythm that keeps me steady on the march through life. Shakespeare's would have been like if he ever said a life without true love will be miserable. Without you, I am nothing but imperative, not thanking for being my. I love you, wanted to be your crutch when things go wrong, and the lyrising to your heart when it lose romantic rhythm would not let me. I love you words cannot express all that you mean to me. My you to someone how just now that which I cannot explain says I love you so much with all my heart, and I will be always take care of you because you are my wife. I will be always love you. The children is waiting for you and they are looking for you. My love cannot love you. Come back home. I just wanted to say I love you more than word can express. Is just a reminder. I am so lucky to have you. Are the reasons my heart bites a little faster in cute glides where sunlight sings. I wanted with a heart that clings to every leaf and gentle breeze where nature's love brings me at easy, that the whispers of the unancient trees